Okay, so we have a clogged sink drain. It fills up. You see it's no longer going down anymore. And that is quite a pain. Slowly draining back down. But it's quite a pain when you're brushing your teeth, washing your hands. It's just kind of gross. Years and years, I would always try the homemade methods of doing baking soda and vinegar. And I would also buy Drano or different things like that to try to help. And not so good. They didn't always work. So what we're going to do today, because as you can see, there's a little bit of hair down there, which we try our best when we cut hair at home not to let it go down the sink, but some still does. So here is a product that I picked up at Dollar Tree. Gotta love Dollar Tree, right? It's called the Drain Rooter. And you just come down and it will go all the way down through your pipes. And because of these little pokey guys coming out like that, those little legs, looks like a little centipede, it's going to attach to hair, okay, and bring it all out. It's gonna be really disgusting and gross, and I'm sorry that I am sharing this with you, but I want you to know that for $1, I'm gonna be able to fix my drain nice and quickly with no harmful chemicals, and this is even able to be washed and kept and continue to be used anytime you have a clogged drain. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna try it out. Okay, so the water did finally drain all the way down, but here is our snake. We're just going to put it down, kind of wiggle it a little bit to get it to go down. And then move it around so that it can attach to some of this stuff that is clogging your drain. And pull it back out. Okay, so far I just have a little bit at the bottom there. You can see just a little bit of hair. I'm gonna wipe that off and get some more. Okay, so I told you this was gonna be gross. That's what I wiped off. And let's go again. Now there's two sides. Once you get down inside there, there's kind of a piece of metal that goes across, and so you want to make sure that you do both sides. Oh, this side's worse because look, I got stuff coming out the whole way up. Oh, this is so gross. Okay, let me clean it off and we'll get some more and we'll see how we're doing. Okay. Oh, another big chunk. Oh, and some at the bottom too. Oh, this is so gross. Gross, 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 gross. But this is working, so I will do the gross job for $1 to unclog my sink. Okay, see how it's still bringing stuff up? I'm going to keep doing this a couple more times so I get the majority of the gunk, and then I'm going to run some hot water, and I'll let you see if we fix the problem. Okay, so I pulled it out a few more times. I got all the black, yucky gunk off, hair, and I've got this turned on full blast now. And it is draining. So now when we wash our hands and brush our teeth and use the sink, there it goes, all the way down. Very nice. So for $1, fix my sink. Not so bad. Check out Dollar Tree.